Hello friends, as the name of the title says, today here we are going to discuss about the questions of OPSC that was held on 27 September 2021. Okay, so let's start with our question. Question number 1. Sagarmala project is under which Ministry of Government of India? The answer is option number A, Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways. Question number 2. Which country has begun its 2-year tenure as a non-permanent member of the UN Security Council? The answer is option number C, India. Who is the chairman of State Commission for Backward Caste in Odisha? Answer is option number A, Justice Raghunath Biswal. Question number 4. Which of the following is not correct? Answer is option number D. Sambat conference is being held every year since 2015 between India and Thailand. This statement is wrong because that was held between India and Japan. Question number 5. Shanghai Cooperation Organization Heads of State Summit was held on 10th November 2020 in the video conference format. The summit was hosted by option number A, Russia. Which country has become the fifth member of the Five Eyes Intelligence Network? The answer is option number A, Japan. Question number 7. What was the theme of the World Sustainable Development Summit 2020? Answer is option number A, towards 2030 goals, making the decade count. Question number 8. Who among the following persons of Odisha is the Padma Vibhushan awardee for 2021 for distinguished service in the field of arts? Answer is option number D, Sudarshan Sahu. Question number 9. The recipient of the Attivadi Jagannath Das Literary Award awarded by the Sahitya Academy of Odisha for 2020 is option number C, Ramachandra Behra. Question number 10. The freshwater lake built by India near its research station Maitri in the Antarctica is known as option number C, Priyadarshini. Question number 11. The Mars Perseverance rover that landed on the Mars on 18th February 2021 was launched by NASA, that is United States of America. Question number 12. The state of Jammu and Kashmir was made an union territory of India with effect from, answer is option number 8 D, that is 31st October 2019. The protest movement organized at Shahin Bagh in Delhi from 14 December 2019 to 24th March 2020 was against the Citizenship Amendment Act 2019. So answer is option number C. Question number 14. The military skirmishes that occurred between China and India since 5th May 2020 in the Galwan Valley involve territorial disputes over Pangong Lake area. Okay. Question number 15. What was the capital of Batsa Mahajanapada? The answer is Kosambi. Option number B. Okay. So, which of the following sources indicate that the last Mauryan ruler Brihadrath was assassinated by Pushyamitra? The answer is option number D, Harsha Charita. Question number 17. Who among the Gupta rulers was first to bear higher political title of Maharajadhiraja? The answer is option number B, Chandragupta. Okay. First. Question number 8. Who overthrew the Rashtrakutas in 973 AD? The answer is Taila of Western Chalukya. Okay. It's option number A. Which of the following Mughal sources was translated into Persian by Painda Khan? The answer is Babarnama. Okay, who was the author of Tariq-e-Daudi? The answer is Abdullah. Who had prepared the proclamation known as Majhar, issued in September 1579? The answer is Sheikh Mubarak. Question number 22. What was the term used for the religious officer in Mughal administration? The answer is Mutasib. Question number 23. British concluded Treaty of Surat in 1775 with Raghunath Rao. Which of the following land revenue settlement was first to have concluded with the village community? The answer is Mahalwari settlement. What was the title of the first newspaper published by James Augustus Hickey? The answer is Bengal Gazette. Question number 26. Who compared the Salt March of Gandhi to Napoleon's march to Paris on his return from Elba? The answer is Subhash Chandra Bose. Question number 27. Who founded the Deccan Education Society? I'm a little confused. I think it's option number D. Okay, none of them. Who was the chairman of the first Famine Commission in 1880? The answer is option number A, Sir Richard Strachey. The Middle Himalayan range originated in Miocene. Okay, option number B. Which of the following is not an example of a block mountain? The answer is Western Ghat Mountain. 31. Which of the following tributaries of Indus River emerges from the Pir Panjal range? The answer is Jhelum. Which of the following pair is not correctly matched? The answer is Bajarda winds. Okay, option number B. Which of the following is not correctly matched? Question number 33. The answer is option number B, Erminger Current, North Pacific. Which of the following is not correctly matched? Question number 34. The answer is option number B, Koteshwar Project, Tapti River. 35. Which of the following human races has woolly hairs? The answer is Caucasoid, option number C. In which of the following demographic transition stages the intensive subsistence farming is prevalent? The answer is option number B, stage 2. It is 12 noon at Greenwich. What will be the time at a place situated at 60 degree east longitude? The answer is option number D, 4 p.m. 38. What is the significance of Dakshin Gangotri? The answer is option number C. It is a scientific base station in Antarctica. Question number 39. In India, El Nino is very often associated with it is a bad monsoon weather with low rain and crop failure. So answer is option number V. In the atmosphere, which of the following carries the ozone layer? Question number 40. The answer is option C, stratosphere. 41. Which of the following is a predominant species of the deciduous forest of Odisha? The answer is option number C, sal. Slash and burn cultivation relates to which of the following? The answer is subsistence agriculture, option number C. 43. The idea of welfare state in the Indian Constitution is enshrined in its answer is option number B, directive principles of state policy. Who, as per the provision of Constitution, declares an area as a scheduled area? The answer is President of India, that is option number B. 45. The concurrent list in the Constitution of India was adopted from Australia. Which schedule of the Constitution of India distributes power between the Union and the state? The answer is option number D, 7th schedule. Mandamus is a writ issued by the apex court for what? For asking a public official or any authority to perform legal duties. So answer is option number A. 48. Any money bill cannot be introduced in the parliament without the consent of the answer is option number C, the Speaker of the Lok Sabha. The first state in India which was created on linguistic basis is Andhra Pradesh. The right to education for all between 6 and 14 years of age has been included as a fundamental right in the year 2002. one of the following now is not a department of finance ministry? The answer is option number D, Department of Banking Affairs. Question number 52. The All India Whips Conference is organized by Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs, that is option number A. The purpose of Uniform Civil Code incorporated in Article 44 of India Constitution is for national unity. Policy as rational choice in competitive situation is game theory. Keeping control over delegated legislation is the power of Lok Sabha, that is option number B. The Governing Council of Niti Aayog comprises of Prime Minister and all the Chief Ministers. 57. The Chairman of Zonal Council in India is the Union Home Minister. For each country, global hunger index values are determined by which of the following indicators? The answer is option number D. All the above four are correct. Question number 59. The reserve held by commercial banks over and above the statutory minimum with the RBI are called excess reserve. That is option number D. 60. Which of the following promoted the concept of self-help groups for financing the poor? The answer is NABARD. The option number C. Which of the following is not a financial inclusion scheme? The answer is Hriday. Sisu, Kishore and Tarun are schemes of option number B, Micro Units Development and Reference Agency Limited. 63. Which of the following indicators is not used to calculate Human Development Index? Answer is social inequality. Which of the following committees recommended a poverty line based on nutritional requirements exclusively? The answer is option number C, Alag Committee. 65. The first Sustainable Development Goal aims to eradicate extreme poverty. How does the UN currently measure extreme poverty? The answer is option number D. 66. Which is the highest allocation ministry in budget in 2021 and 22? The answer is option number A, Ministry of Defence. Central government has unveiled a new series of consumer price index for industrial workers with option number B, 2016 as the base year. The contribution of the primary sector to GDP of India is decreasing over the years. Robin Hood effect is related to each of the following? That is option number C, income redistribution. Out of the four concepts of money supply used in India, M1, M2, M3 and M4, the post office savings are included in option number D, M2 and M4 only. 71. The Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority, IRDA, is which type of body? Option number B, statutory body. Deforestation is not a direct cause of option number D, that is species invasion. The succession where the community increases its diversity and complexity with time is called progressive succession. 74. Biochemical oxygen demand of water is a measure of option number C, that is water organic load. 75. Which of the following doesn't belong to natural air pollutant? The answer is peroxyacetyl nitrate, that is option number D. Ex situ conservation includes option number B, botanical gardens. The database generated by NBIS is used for the management of biodiversity. 78. CBD is expanded at option number A, Convention on Biodiversity. Which of the following is a correct combination? Question number 79. The answer is option number D, Balukhanda, black buck. Okay. 80. Which of the following is expected to be a cause of the rise in sea level? The answer is melting of polar ice cap. The solar energy is a non-conventional energy sources. That is option number B. Bats use dash to navigate and find food. The answer is B, that is magnetoreception. Nucleic acid present in coronavirus is a option number C, that is ribonucleic acid. Question number 84. Television signals are both frequency and amplitude modulated. Okay, that is option number C. 85. The electrical energy is converted into mechanical energy in option number C, that is electric motor. 1 light year is option number A, that is distance traveled by light in free space in 1 year. Okay. Question number 87, that is bleeding from nose is caused when a person is there at option number A, that is higher altitudes where atmospheric pressure is low. Okay. 88, the main component of biogas is option number C, that is methane. Subatomic particles are option number D, that is all of these. Question number 90, carbon monoxide, it is a poisonous gas because it binds to hemoglobin, that is option number D. Which is not a synthetic polymer? The answer is option number D, that is resin. Bee sting causes severe pain and burning sensation due to the presence of methanoic acid. Okay, that is option number D. Question number 93, albinism is caused due to the deficiency of option number B, that is enzyme. In ballpoint pens, dyes are used as oil based. Okay, the dyes are oil based. Question number 95, which one of the following colors is least deviated by the glass prism? Answer is option number B, that is red. Ficus bengalensis is the scientific name of option number D, that is banyan. Question number 97, Spirogyra is a kind of algae. Okay, that is option number A. Which of the following substance is not synthetic? Answer is option number A, that is fibroin. Okay. Question number 99, change in the base sequence within a gene is called mutation. Okay. Question number 100, hypsometer is used to measure the depth of ocean. Okay, that is option number 8. So with this we end up with our 100 questions. So after the prelim you can prepare for your mains, whatever may be the result, but you should prepare for your mains exam. Okay, so all the best, have a nice day, and if this video helped you in any way, you can like this video and subscribe the channel and share it with others also. Okay, so have a nice day. Thank you.